He talks about progeria, a serial killer exclusively murdering film critics, sanitary napkins, a female cricketer with a disability. You can call R. Balki many things, but you certainly can't call him dull. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. इस हफ्ते हमने वीर दास से बातें करी, सुष्मिता सेन स्टारर ताली की बातें करी एंड मल्टी स्टारर गन्स एंड गुलाब्स की बातें करी. अभी आओ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट आर बाल्की's घूमर starring सयामी खैर and अभिषेक बच्चन now in movie theaters. Sami Khair plays Anina, a cricketer in training with an over-enthused Dadi. Dadi, played by Shabana Azmi, very cute, goes to her games and keeps her own scorecard. Never lets go of an opportunity to make a sports pun/reference. Anina's widowed father, played by a very, very endearing Shivendra Singh Dungarpur, dotes on her. She has two brothers and a childhood sweetheart supporting her in every way possible. But before her dream of playing for India can come true, she meets with an accident, loses her right arm, and life comes to a standstill. Until a disheveled, alcoholic, disgraced ex-cricketer takes it upon himself for some reason to coach her from batter to now a bowler. As far as sports stories go, the premise for this is as exciting as any. Here's a female sportsperson playing in a majorly male-dominated sport, and she has a new disability she must learn to now live with. Plus, Sami Khair has an unusually pronounced vibe of a childlike naivety about her, at least very pronounced here. That makes you believe that this sheltered kid didn't quite realize her name was a palindrome until Abhishek Bachchan shows it to her on a piece of paper. I mean, why else would a fully grown woman beat up an old friend, literally drawing blood as a way to tell him that she missed him? While decidedly odd, this playground behavior that gives way to the cricket stadium just works, even without the cliched rousing monologue from the protagonist. However, this infantilizing also doesn't allow Anina to own her narrative, instead handing the credit to frankly a very unlikable man. It's what I call the Key and Car Road paved with good intentions, cursory exploration of interesting ideas. The monologue giving is also handed over to the man here, who talks of his frustrations a little too much with little nuance. Abhishek Bachchan is a fine performer. He occupies the screen in a way only good actors do. There is a magnetism about the actor. You can't help but pay attention to every word he says, every twitch of his face. Just look at him. Isliye it's that much more jarring the amount of footage his father Amitabh Bachchan once again has in this Balki film. Sure, it's a cameo. It's always a cameo. But here he's playing himself as a guest commentator in the defining cricket match of the film. Senior Bachchan is seemingly too pleased to be there, too melodramatic, interrupting and ultimately breaking the emotional connection we once had developed with the monologue-giving, whiskey-drinking, treehouse-living cricketer Abhishek Bachchan playing Paddy Sodhi. I mean, the elongated presence of Amitabh Bachchan only serves to remind you that this is a world where Abhishek Bachchan also lives, creating an unnecessary paradox.
इंडिया के लिए फिर से खेलना अगर तुम चाहो बाएं हाथ का खेल हो सकता है.
Sami Khair has clearly worked so very hard at the getting good at cricket part. Even with my limited understanding of the sport, I can tell her batting stance and bowling action are not just regulation but competitively good. While I may not know a whole lot about what it's like to be training to be a cricketer, I do know a few things about life without an arm. I've seen at close quarters how one ties shoelaces with one hand, how one chops vegetables, cooks, gets dressed up for Diwali. And I'm cognizant not all disability experiences are the same at all. Here, writers Balki, Rahul Sen Gupta, Rishi Virmani bring as much honesty as they can, largely succeeding. Sure, there are many training montages, stereotypical of the genre, but there's also a very long scene where Anina single-handedly, pun not intended, cuts down an overgrown bushy area to create a makeshift cricket pitch, metaphorically and literally making room for herself in a densely packed thorny world. A stunning and very funny Ivanka Das plays Paddy Sodhi's house staff, Rasika. And while she is made to mention her transness a bit, there isn't a sad narrative built around this character's presence in Sodhi's life. She's empowered, unafraid to give as good as she gets, included in the narrative simply as a supporting actor. No heightened theatrics attached or required. Ghumar takes the very bold decision to keep the competitive cricket playing limited to only one match largely, that too an ODI, choosing to set the entire third act in a contained physical location. While this makes for a more concentrated, intense viewing experience, it also makes the actors and dialogue work that much harder. All of Anina's biggest fears are about to come true within one day, a few hours. Will she catch a break? Sami Khair's hard work pays off here quite wonderfully, and despite all the rockiness leading up to this point, I will go so far as to say that this might be a better cricket movie than 83. I said it. At least this one has something to say, a point to make. Theaters में देखा है, फिर बताइएगा comments में what you thought of the film.
ये life magic का खेल है.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Ghumar is 18 minutes in when Abhishek Bachchan arrives. His opening line is, प्यास लग रही है, खेलने की प्यास, which is so puzzlingly TikTok की, like why would you do him like that? अगले कुछ सेकंड्स में इस स्क्रीन पर आपको दिखाई देगा the words I adore you, thank you for watching till the end and I mean it. उसके एकदम साथ में my face will pop up asking you to subscribe. कर लो, बहुत फ्री लोडिंग हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.